Hello, Namaste. I'm Deepak Pawar, developer, founder, and CEO at Classibit. How you, as website owner, as admin, can set admin commission and get your commission on each ticket sale. So let's first start with setting admin commission. And multi-vendor tab. Here you can set the admin commission, like we have set 5% admin commission. So you as admin will get 5% on each ticket sale. Now here two more things. There are two more things. One is organizer tax and one is admin tax. So in the taxes, as we have said, multiple types of tax, like the non-admin tax, like admin tax with no, can be set by organizer, while admin tax yes will be applied to all the tickets by default. So let's log in as organizer as well, so that I can guide you through exactly how much admin will get on each ticket sale when admin tax, organizer tax, and admin commission are all set. As organizer, and let's go to an organizer event. Suppose this is the event VR assistant workshop. Click on edit and go to the ticket section. Here let's go to the early bird ticket. Now here, as you can see, the admin has set the tax for this ticket is convenience fee, right? And admin tax is this one, admin handling fee. So the admin tax is 3% excluding, while convenience fee is 5% excluding, right? And admin commission is 5%. So let's see how much the organizer will get when a customer make the booking and how much the admin will get. So now for a customer, right? So for that, let's open another window and log in as customer. You can also, admin can also create a booking, and organizer can also create a booking for their customer. So for now we are making a booking from the organizer login. So let's say VR assistant workshop. Here let's book this one. Let's add the customer email. And we are selecting the early bird ticket. So as you can see, two taxes are applied here. One is the convenience fee, which is the organizer tax, and second one is the admin handling fee, which is admin tax. So the customer will pay the total of this 10.80 USD. Like on this is the ticket price 10 USD. Over this one, these two taxes are applied, so the total ticket price is 10.80 USD. Now let's see when a customer make the booking how much both admin and organizer will get. Oh sorry, we have to add the attendee detail as well. The booking is successful. Okay, so this is the booking we just created. The customer has paid a total amount of 10.80, right? Now let's see how much organizer has received. So for that we need to visit manage earnings page. Here you can see the organizer has received the total profit of 9.98 USD, while the commission that is charged on this is 0.53%. And on this, like, admin tax is also charged, but admin tax is not shown here because that is part of website admin tax. So if we go to admin commissions and gigabyte, so here you can see in the payout section the organizer is gigabyte. The total booking amount is 10.50, out of which admin commission is 0.53. Admin tax is this is what admin has received. Admin has received the admin commission and the admin tax, while the organizer earning out of it is 9.98 USD. So if we sum up these three amounts, 9.98 plus 0.30 plus 0.53, the total amount is 10.80, which the customer has paid in total. So the admin has received the admin commission and admin tax, while organizer earning is this one. So basically, as we mentioned here, this is the commission calculation. So suppose the ticket price is $100, organizer tax, the total organizer tax is $10, and the admin commission is 5%. So the admin commission will be calculated by summing up ticket price plus organizer tax. So the 5% of 10 plus 10, 110, 5% of $110 is 5.5. So this is what the admin commission admin has received, while admin tax is completely exclusive of all these three things. Admin will receive admin tax as is. So admin tax is not part of admin commission because this amount will goes directly to the admin, and organizer has nothing to do with this amount. So this is admin commission calculation. Now because this commission payout thing is semi-automatic, you as admin has to pay the organizer this 9.98 USD externally, and once you paid this amount, you can click on the transferred checkbox and update it. Once you update it, an organizer will see the transferred status to paid. Simple. And to make this commission processing automatic, you can set up Stripe Direct. You can turn this Stripe Direct on, and you can learn more about Stripe Direct here. Once you set up and enable Stripe Direct payment gateway, the admin commission part will be fully automatic, and you as admin have to do nothing regarding the payouts and all. Admin will receive their commission and admin tax directly into their Stripe account, and organizer will receive their organizer earnings directly into their Stripe account as soon as customer makes the payment. So this is all about admin commission and organizer payout part. We hope you found this video informative. In the next video, we will be covering how you can manually approve an organizer after manual review from the admin panel. Thank you. Stay tuned.